sitting here about 10 feet away from this Lennox air conditioner. We had it installed about 2.5, 3 years ago, and paid a lot of money for this one specifically. About pretty much almost immediately. I'm not sure, but it got noisy. It was noisy, and it's been noisy. What you hear right now is actually quiet. In the winter when this thing starts up, less often, but it'll start up to cool the house down or dehumidify. It's really loud. It's louder than this. Now that it's summer and it's operating on and off a lot, or operating a lot, it's this quiet. This is how quiet your expensive Lennox is going to be right here. This is the scroll compressor, the fancy one, although I suspect they're all that way now. I believe this is a 2-speed unit. That's what we paid for anyways. And it's noisy as hell. Now I will say it's been working. It's been working fine since installation. Although it blew a capacitor last weekend on a very hot day. And of course I asked the technician while he replaced the capacitor to look at the unit and tell me why it's so noisy, and they always say the same thing. Nothing wrong with it, checks out fine. Can't help you.